Welcome to craftx.org, the website for the College Readiness Assignments for Texas, or CRAFT project. This site is designed to help educators across Texas locate and use college readiness assignments and other resources that prepare their students for post-secondary success in college and career. This video is designed to give you a brief overview of the different areas of the site. This is the home page of the site. It is visible immediately upon visiting the site, and you can always return to it by clicking Home in the main menu. Here you'll find a brief introduction to college readiness assignments, or CRAs, as well as a video welcoming you to the site and introducing the project. The main menu bar at the top of the page is visible on every page, and from here you can navigate to each area of the site. The tab that is orange tells you which page you are currently viewing. If you scroll down, you'll find direct links to the discipline areas for the CRAs, as well as a panel with recent posts in the discussion forum. We'll take a closer look at the CRAs and discussion pages in a moment. Now let's take a brief look at each of the main areas of the site. If you click the About tab in the main menu, you will find additional information about the CRAFT project, as well as the development and testing of the CRAs. If you click the CRAs tab in the main menu, you will find the college readiness assignments, which are the heart of the CRAFT project. There are two types of CRAs available from this page: CRAs for classroom use and CRAs for independent study. Let's look at the CRAs for classroom use first. There are 50 CRAs for classroom use. They are available as viewable and downloadable PDFs, and these CRAs were rigorously field tested across the state during the 2012-2013 school year. From this page, you can select a discipline for which you would like to view assignments. If you click Mathematics, for instance, you will be taken to a list of CRAs that have been developed for mathematics. On this page, you will find a list of all of the mathematics CRAs and brief descriptions of what you and your students can expect to find from each assignment. Notice that from this page, you can also use the drop-down menu to jump to other disciplines or specific subjects. To view more information about a particular CRA, click on that CRA. We will select Bullseye Math to explore. On the page for Bullseye Math, as with all the CRA pages, you will find a snapshot of the content of the CRA, which includes a more thorough description of the assignment, the subjects or courses in which the assignment is designed to be implemented, key concepts and terms included in the assignment, and the prior knowledge students should bring with them to successfully complete the assignment. PDFs of the complete assignment, including student notes and student handouts, as well as the accompanying CRA scoring guide, are located below the prior knowledge section. Simply click on the links provided to download the PDFs to your computer. At the bottom of each CRA page, there is a place to leave a comment about how that particular CRA worked in your classroom, including any modifications you may have made that you think would be helpful to other educators. In order to leave a comment, you must be logged into the site. This helps reduce spam. If you have not logged into craftx.org before, you will need to create an account. We'll go over the steps to do this at the end of this video. If you scroll back to the top of the page, you can click the CRAs tab to return to the main CRA page. Now let's look at the CRAs for independent study. There are 10 CRAs for independent study. These are 10 of the classroom use CRAs that have been modified to require little to no instructor involvement and are designed for independent study by students or as extra credit assignments. These CRAs contain added visuals and are meant for students to use in a variety of settings. To view the CRAs for independent study, click on the View Online CRAs button. All 10 CRAs for independent use can be found on this page, organized by discipline. This is a good time to point out that there are CRAs labeled as cross-disciplinary in both the CRAs for classroom use and the CRAs for independent study. These cross-disciplinary CRAs are appropriate for many different courses, including, but not limited to, the 4 core disciplines. Teachers responsible for electives, as well as educators in a number of entry-level college courses, may find these CRAs very useful. Let's take a quick look at one of these CRAs, as their format is different from the classroom use CRAs. If you click on the Choosing the Best Websites to Support Your Argument CRA, you will see that there is a slideshow to begin the lesson. You can navigate to the next portion of the lesson using the buttons provided. You can also navigate to any part of the lesson using the left-hand menu. Notice that from here you can also navigate to the classroom version of the CRA. And on the classroom version page, there is a corresponding link to navigate back to the independent study version. Moving on from the CRA's pages, you can click the Resources tab in the main menu to view videos, PDFs, and important links to help you implement CRAs in your class and to introduce you to new ideas about pedagogy. There are 3 sections of resources available: Guides to Using CRAs, About College and Career Readiness, and Pedagogy and Classroom Practice. The section titled Guides to Using CRAs contains basic information about the CRAs and scoring guides. The About College and Career Readiness section contains videos and other information about what it means to be college and career ready. Some of this information might surprise you, so we encourage you to check out these resources. The Pedagogy and Classroom Practice section contains several videos and other resources that cover new pedagogical strategies and simple techniques you can implement to help keep students engaged, as well as improve their memory, retention, and performance. If you click on the Discussion tab in the main menu, you will find the Discussion Forum. This is the place for educators to share insights and ask questions of each other. This is a great place for all educators to discuss issues of college and career readiness, implementing CRAs, and even new ideas and strategies. We want to encourage all educators to share their thoughts and experiences using the CRAs with each other. We understand that teachers and their classroom pedagogies form the foundation of a solid education, so we look forward to learning more about how you're using CRAs in your classrooms. Just like commenting, you must be logged in to post in the discussion forum. If you are interested in contacting someone who posted something interesting in the discussion forum, or perhaps you're interested in finding members who have taught particular CRAs or are in similar institutions to yourself, you can do this by clicking on the Members tab in the main menu. From this page, you can search for members by their first name, last name, or any other keyword in their profile. For example, if you type Johnson, your search will return members with the name Johnson. To view a person's profile, click on their name. If you have a question about the craftx.org website, or want to provide feedback about a CRA, or even submit your own ideas for possible future use on the Craft site, click the Feedback tab in the main menu to access the surveys, which will be added soon. Also coming soon will be a blog updated regularly with news about craft and college and career readiness in Texas. The blog is accessible by clicking the Blog tab in the main menu. 2 other features we would like to point out are the duplicate menu located at the bottom of every page to help you navigate around the site quickly and easily, and the search function located in the upper right-hand corner of the site. This search will return results from the entire website, including all the CRA PDFs and content. So if you'd like to find, for example, any CRA that mentions velocity, you can do this easily by entering velocity in the search box and clicking search. This will display the search results as well as advanced options to refine your search. The Craft team will continue to add new features to the site, including sample student work products and reports of the data from the extensive field test, so be sure to check craftx.org regularly for new information. Regarding logging in, if you have logged into craftx.org before, you only need to click Log In the upper right-hand corner of the page, enter your account information, and click the small Log In button. If you're new to the site, click Login, then I want to create an account. Complete the form and click Create New Account at the bottom of the page. A Craft administrator will review your form, just to eliminate spammers, and approve your account, at which time you'll receive an email with instructions about logging in and creating a password. You will need to log in anytime you wish to post a comment or discussion response. However, logging in is not necessary to view or download resources or CRAs. If you have additional questions about the website, please use the survey on the feedback page. Thank you so much for your time and commitment to college and career readiness.